So here we are doing investigation to do the full-blown Atmos setup. But first we had to figure out how to... Esto era el... You can't believe it. It's done then. Okay, what about light, eh?
There you go.
No, but this should have... So that was replaced, and look at the binary diffuser. Homemade. And that's the fabric track system. So you just pinch in here. And you need the pizza tools that I bought. You have the pizza cutter, but it's not sharp. Huh? It's not really a cutter. It's a blunt edge. That's for long stretches. And then you have the tool. This one is the pinch. You used to pinch in and pinch out. And then you use the curve to do like short tracks.
Oh, yeah.
Sure. So
Good.
no, with the first you pinch, I think, with the point. Pinch with the point.
No está en el interno, ¿no? Así, ¿qué te pasa, no? Mira,
But the other way. You're supposed to pinch with this point. Well, I guess you... No, look, you're not doing...
No, but it's gonna come in.
Yeah?
No. I think that we have to pull it and then you push it.
We have to do the corner.
You're going right. You're right there, Alex. You'll see.
No, but this one...
No, he can do it. He can do it.